What can I do when my partner doesn't get my struggle? Well, thank you for this question. First of all, I hear you. I feel you. I've been there a few times. Might be even that I'll be there again. Well, I can tell you that the most important thing, the one thing that really helped me is going back into my own center, knowing who I am, what I'm worth, writing down the things that I've gone through, writing down the success that I've been through until now, knowing that I know the answers within me, because when I'll go and I'll tell my partner, he will probably start advising me, and then I want to make sure that I'll be able to listen from what I really feel inside. And I think in the ongoing, if we, share with them not only the struggles, but also the success, so they feel a part of the journey. And for oh my God. Okay. And for a long time, I didn't do that. For a long time, I used to kind of take it all in and share only what I needed, his support, because I was struggling. And I didn't share with the entire journey with him. I shared only the major success or the major struggle. And I think that when I started sharing with him the entire way that I'm doing, so it's easier for him when I was struggling to come and tell me, but you remember your success, but you remember that this is only a part of the way, that this is not all of it. You remember that in this certain point that you're in right now is just a small part of your journey. Do you remember? And before that, because I didn't share with him the entire way that I used to do, and I shared only like when I was struggling, so he wasn't able to tell me, do you remember that you also you also succeed? And I think that one of the things that I did after I started sharing with him, the entire path, so when I came to him, when I had a struggle, I told him in advance, listen, I need to share with you something that I've been going on, and I need for you to listen. I need you to hug me, and this is what I need right now, and I don't need your advice at this moment, please. So I was very clear of my needs, you get it? I made sure that he understood what I truly needed from him, that I needed time, I needed the hug, I needed the comfort, but I didn't need, at that moment, his advice. So telling him what I really needed allowed him to give it to me, because he knew what I needed. And even though sometimes he told me his advice and I just said, honey, thanks, but it's not what I need at the moment. I don't need solutions. I know that I can find my solution within me, because as I said at the beginning, making sure that I know who I am, I have my own center, but at that moment, I can't listen to the solutions. At that moment, I only need to take out everything that I'm feeling and to feel hugged and safe, and that I have a place that I can just cry and be in that struggle and letting go. So I tell him what I need from him. And also, one of the things that happen sometimes when we tell our partner about our struggle is that they feel that we blame them. So we're not blaming them. We're taking full responsibility about how we feel. We take full responsibility about what we think about it. And I don't say, you're making me feel. No, I say, this is what I feel, and this is me. Okay, I know that it's in me. I understand that this is what I feel, and it doesn't have to say anything about you. So this is very important, because otherwise they might like block themselves and not be able to listen. And the last one is that when I'm trying to tell them something, when I try to tell my husband something that I need his support, so I think in advance about like images and words that will help him understand what I feel. Because you know how people speak in different languages? You know, if I speak Chinese and he speak Hebrew, we won't understand each other. Well, this is the way it is many times with our partner. It doesn't matter if we both speak the same language. So if I say words, certain words that I understand what they mean, like awareness, and he will look at me, what? What do you mean about that? He will not understand what I'm truly saying. So I'm going to choose the images and the words that and expressions that he speaks with, and I'm going to speak with him at that language, so he will be able to know what I truly need and to support me.
This was just one of the most burning questions mom like you are asking right now. We collected the top 11 ones, the questions our followers keep asking us, and created a free PDF just for you. Click the link below and get it now for free.